Keyboard leveling, understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, keyboard leveling. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Understanding phrases like this is a great way to enhance your English skills and grasp the nuances of the language. Keyboard leveling is a phrase that's not found in traditional dictionaries. It's a modern term, often used in online gaming and computing contexts. The phrase suggests bringing everyone to an equal playing field, where physical advantages are minimized. It's like saying that everyone is using the same standard keyboard, hence, they have equal chances or abilities. This phrase likely originated from the online gaming world. In gaming, having specialized equipment can give players an advantage. So, when everyone uses a basic keyboard, it levels the playing field. It's similar to the idea of leveling the playing field in sports, where rules ensure fairness. In everyday English, keyboard leveling can be used metaphorically. It implies creating equal opportunities in various situations, like education or work. For example, when a company provides the same equipment to all employees, it's practicing a form of keyboard leveling. Let's see how this phrase can be used. 1. The new policy in our office is like keyboard leveling. Everyone gets the same model of laptop. 2. Our online exam system is a form of keyboard leveling, as it ensures all students have the same tools. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, keyboard leveling. It's a modern term with interesting origins and versatile usage. Remember, learning phrases like this not only enhances your vocabulary but also your understanding of cultural contexts in English. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.